What is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages today and is easy for beginners to learn because of its readability. It is a free, open-source programming language with extensive support modules and community development, easy integration with web services, user-friendly data structures, and GUI-based desktop applications. It is a popular programming language for machine learning and deep learning applications. Python is used to develop 2D imaging and 3D animation packages like Blender, Inkscape, and Autodesk. It has also been used to create popular video games, including Civilization, IV Vegas Strike, and Toontown. Python is used for scientific and computational applications like FreeCAD and Abacus, and by popular websites like YouTube, Quora, Pinterest, and Instagram. Python developers earn average annual salaries of about $109,092. Level Beginner Python enables a beginner to become productive quickly. Skills needed: problem solving, abstract thinking. Platform: web, desktop. Popularity among programmers, becoming continuously more popular. Benefits: flexible, naturally/intuitively readable, highly regarded official tutorials and documentations, scripted as opposed to compiled. Downsides: doesn't start with programming basics, known to abstract too many important basic concepts. Popularity: becoming continuously more popular, both in technical education and business uses. Degree of use: coding skills widely used, popular in both technical education and business use. Annual salary projection: $109,092. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.